This is my Ultraloq. I love this thing, but what's been happening is after you scan it, ignore the low battery. It says door is open, but the little mechanism inside doesn't activate the lock, so it just doesn't do anything. I was sent this to replace it, so I'm going to install that now and see what happens. Alright, so the unit's been removed from the door. The next thing I did was take off the back plate here, and then this is the inside of the unit, and this is the piece that I am replacing. Alright, then this came off super easy, just 3 screws. And then I guess some of this gets unplugged here. A little finesse. Oh no, that's attached. He stays attached. Okay, so he gets unplugged up here then. There we go, super easy. Everything in here looks okay. Nothing seems to be stuck or anything strange. Alright, so this is the new one. Now what? He needs to be straight up and down, or there. Right? So he'll go back in here. Other way. Okay, well, I'll pause here. There's no reason to watch me fiddle with this. Alright, so the new unit is on. Couldn't have been any easier. I'm just going to put it back together and see if it worked. Alright, so just finished. They did send me 3 keys. So, shut the door. Okay, it's locked. And it works. Although I did just put new batteries in, it still says low battery, but that's my problem. Awesome. Thank you, Look.